Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to Sia's digital classes. In this video, we are going to solve some questions from our topic statistical ability. So let us start. So our first question from our statistical ability is the mode of the following distribution. We have to find the mode of this particular distribution. So whenever we have to find the mode is nothing but in this type of question or in this type of discrete values, mode is nothing but the highest times a number is being repeated. So let us see here the number 13. Here the number 13 is being repeated 4 times. So here the mode will be what? The mode will be 13, which is option C. Now coming to the next question, which is the mean of 6 observations is calculated as 24. So if the mean of 6 observations is calculated as 24, so first of all, what is mean? Mean is nothing but sum of observations, sum of the observations by number of observations. Given that the mean is what? 24, that is equals to sum of observations divided by, there are how many observations? 6 observations. From this I can say that sum of 6 observations is what? 24 multiplied by 6. 24 multiplied by 6 is 144. So sum of the 6 observations is 144. But later it was noted that one of the observation was taken as 24. So one of the observation was taken as 24 instead as minus 24. So the correct observation was what? The correct observation was 24, but they have mistakenly taken what? They have taken 24. So the correct observation was minus 24, but they have mistakenly taken it as 24. So what we should do is we should subtract wrong from the correct. So correct value is minus 24 minus wrong value is 24. So the effect will be what? The effect is that the sum should be decreased by 48. So the first of all, the first sum came to us is 148, but it was increased by 48. Now in order to get the exact sum or the correct sum, what we have to do is we have to subtract this 48 from this one. So the correct sum of 6 observations is what? Which is 144 minus 48. So after subtracting, I am getting 96. So the correct sum of 6 observations is 96. Now we have to find the correct mean. So correct mean is nothing but correct sum divided by n. So here correct sum is 96 divided by, there are how many observations? 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 6. So the correct mean is what? 16. So our answer is 16. Okay. Now you can also solve this question by using a little tricky approach, which is here the given mean is what? 24. Here the given mean is 24, and the net effect is what? The net effect. See, correct minus wrong is minus 20 minus 48. So what we have to do is we have to find the average of this minus 48 with respect to 6 observations. So minus 48 divided by 6, that is equals to what? Minus 8. Now the correct mean is nothing but the calculated mean or the previous mean minus the effect after reducing it to average. So minus 8. So 24 minus 8 is what? 16. So our answer is 16. We can also do it like this. Now coming to the next question, which is we should find the median of this following frequency. So let us draw a table which is something like this, where x values, f values, and cumulative frequency. So x values are 15, 17, 20, 22, 25, and 30. The frequencies are 1, 5, 10, 12, 8, and 4. So cumulative frequency is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 12 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. 36 plus 4 is 40. Now what we have to find is we have to find the median. So median is nothing but n by 2, n by second term, or n by 2 plus first term. So n by 2. Here how many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is what? 3, or 3 plus 1 is 4. So here there are two numbers coming as a median. Now whenever we are getting two numbers as the median, what we have to do is we have to do the average of that 12. So the median, so our answer is median is nothing but 16 plus 28 by 2, which is 44 on 2. So our median is what? 22. So our answer is 22. Now coming to the next question, which is what is the mean of the following distribution? We have to find the mean of this following distribution. So we know the mean, the formula for mean is sigma fi multiplied by xi divided by sigma fi. So let us see. Let us draw the table here. So here xi values, then fi values, then fi multiplied by xi. So xi is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 100. In the same way 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on 10,000. So let us see the values here. So 1 can be written as what? 1 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. And 10,000 can be written as what? 10,000 can be written as 100 square. So the values of fi are nothing but the squares of the xi numbers. So squares of xi numbers. So after multiplying xi and fi, what I am getting is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and at the last I am getting 100 cube. So 100 cube. Now let us substitute the values of sigma fi xi, which is we have to add all of the fi and xi values and the divided by sigma fi values. So in the numerator sigma fi xi, after adding all of these values, this is nothing but what? Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So in numerator we are getting the formula for sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So the formula for that particular is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this is the numerator, which is sigma fi xi, where n value is 100. In the same way sigma fi is nothing but the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. So the formula for that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So n gets cancelled, n plus 1 gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So I'm left with what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2n plus 1, because 2n plus 1 divided by 3 go to the upside and it will become 3 by 2n plus 1. So let us substitute the value 100 here. So our value is 100. N plus 1 is 100 plus 1, which is 101 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 into 100 is 200, 200 plus 1, 200 plus 1 is 201. So 100 by 2 is 50, 3 1s are 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So our answer is what? 50 divided by 67. So 5050 divided by 67 is the mean of this particular distribution, which is option C. Now coming to the next question, which is if the mean and mode of the data are, here the mean is given as, the mean is 45 and mode, the mode value of mode is 51. Now what we have to find? We have to find the median of that particular data. So we know the formula, that is mode is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. So we know the value for mode here is 51. So 3 into, let us assume our median is m, minus 2 times of mean is 45. So 51 is equals to 3 mean minus 90. Then 3 mean is nothing but 51 plus 90. 51 plus 19 is 90 is 141. Then the value of median is 141 by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. So the median value is 47. So these are some of the questions from the topic statistical ability. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to practice more questions on this topic, you can go into this particular section, statistical ability, and practice some more questions. Thank you very much for watching this video.